there really is two separate jobs, one being the body man and one being the painter.
Yeah, 100%.
So how do you locate a good painter? Trial and error?
You can kind of know, like when you're interviewing painters, you could tell by their experience. But yeah, most of the time, yeah, trial and error. We'd give them like a week, two to try them out,
Yeah.
and see what they're producing. So it has to be a fine balance of speed and quality,
Right.
but like where the speed is not affecting the quality. It's like a juggle.
I hear
right?
you.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, we have our seasons here, as I know you know through Dad's shop. You got tire season where you're getting 25 cars a day that you got to push through.
Yeah.
And you still got to continue the level of standard that you built for your shop on the expectations for your clients, but at the same time, you got to get the cars done, right? And I totally understand that, but all the more stress. Like you don't do any kind of having a loss here for words, restorations.
No, we don't get into that.
That is a totally different.
Yeah, that's a totally different world.
And people need to understand that too, because that is a specialty in itself.
Yes, it's a specialty in itself. It takes time. It takes room in the shop. It takes special auto body technicians for that. I mean, we can do that. I've done restorations in the past, but
and learned quickly that you lose money.
yeah, it's not just about money. It's about time and space, right? When you're pumping out volume and you're trying to cater to the collision and dents and scratch, it's hard to go back and forth on a car because those restoration jobs, they need a lot of attention, right?
Right.
Yeah, a lot of attention.
And it's hard to gauge. I mean, you would think that a slow period would be now because it's cold and nobody wants to. So if I've got a vehicle that I store or don't use regularly, then now would be the perfect time to bring it in. But all it takes is one snowstorm, I'm sure.
Yeah.
And then you're busy.
You're busy. Yeah. You're
right.
swamped.
Like you've got vehicles that have having, all these fender benders on the highway that get brought in.
That's right.
And do they just show up randomly, or does the insurance company call shops like you?
Insurance companies will send us assignments. We deal with a few tow trucks and obviously with the retail world as well.
Yeah.
But the thing is also with that is as soon as we get this insurance assignment, a lot of the industry now, it's all based on cycle time, right?
Okay.
So how fast you can get the car in, how fast you can get it out, right?
Okay.
So there's a lot of pressure on us to do that. And
so if you don't hit, or if you have consistently a poor cycle time, you get dinged.
Yes.
Crazy.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of insurance companies. I know that TD and Aviva have started opening up their own shops.
That's right.
That are based on their, I guess, reputation, or how is that deemed?
I guess it's
the preferred shop.
They're trying to cut out the shops. I guess it's just a brand thing, right? Hey, you could bring it to TD Body Shop or Intact. I guess they're just trying to cut out the independents.
And they'll argue that they want it more consistent and lower your rates because you're dealing with the shops. You bring the car to our shop.